I made this gorilla strength tight. Alright, hey guys, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on this engine bay. Right now there's a bunch of stuff in it, but I plan on taking this wiring out, fuel lines, the brake booster, and I just wanna empty this engine bay completely. I might do some other stuff as well. I'm not gonna be taking out the suspension and brakes and the engine mount area just yet. I want to leave that in for structural support until I get this tube frame built and installed. So today we're going to get it stripped down, and hopefully the engine bay is going to be 100% cleaned out except for suspension and those parts. Lighting in my garage is not the greatest, so most of the work I'm going to have the garage door open. But before we can work on my car, I'm actually going to change the oil in my daily beater. I call it a daily beater because it's a beater, and you'll see. So here we go. Apparently last time I did my oil, I made this gorilla strength tight. Now that that's finished, let's move on to the race car. The way I'm going to try and do this is I'm going to try and work top to bottom. So I'm going to start with up here, the cowl area, and then I'll work to the inside of the engine bay. This is a wiper blade motor. Get this. This screw is seized, and both of these screws are seized thanks to rust. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mute my TV. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get some penetrating oil. This is all I could find, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to move on to something else I can do, and then I'll come back to those bolts. I'm gonna grab my trash can. Alright, let's get an inside shot because I'm gonna be pulling this wire through the firewall of the car. Alright, that's all I can do on that side. I'll probably do stuff off camera because some of the stuff is a little difficult with the camera and the lighting and all that in my way. So now I'm just going to work on the driver's side of the engine bay and get that emptied out. Probably going to have to use my grinder on some of these onto the driver's side. This is a bit overkill, but it's all I can find that I know will work really well for taking brake lines off. Okay, I'm a little dirty, and the engine bay is obviously not 100% cleaned out. Now, obviously, it's still like dirty, but I got most of the stuff out. I still have like rubber bushings and stuff that I will take care of. I'm not gonna get this 100% torn out because I need to weld in my tube frame, tube front end, and I can't do that until I get a tube bender. That might sound stupid, but that's what it is. So this is where I'm going to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy it, please press that like button, and it would mean a lot to me if you press that subscribe button and the bell, because I'm going to be doing this car for a while probably. And I mean, I haven't seen something like this on YouTube. I've seen like here and there, but I've never seen a full series on it. So yeah, subscribe, like the video, share the video, and tune in for the next one. Thanks guys, bye.